Hi, when I speak at conferences, one of the most popular topics is the future of talent acquisitions, or, to put it another way, what it will be like to manage a career in 10 years. Now, I'm not a smoke and mirrors futurist, so I try to limit my projections to 10 years. Now, here are 3 trends you should monitor carefully. First, as I reported yesterday, machine automation with artificial intelligence will eliminate hundreds of thousands of jobs in the U.S. alone, from white-collar positions to manufacturing, logistics, transportation, publishing, and construction. 2, major corporations will beef up executive recruiting to get more bang for their buck. They will begin to track bright stars from colleges and top performers already in the workforce, much like a sports team tracks star athletes. 3, these 2 trends combined will force executives and managers to focus on performance and career management more than ever before.